Hey guys, welcome back. This is Raja. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to look at the stock Tesla, TSLA. It's a weekly update. I'm doing this video for last few weeks. So we will look at this stock chart and see what's going on with this stock. Obviously, it's got a great week this week. It posted a lot of gains this week. So let's look at this chart and what is going on with this stock, and we will see whether the stock is still a buy or a hold or a sell at this price level. And before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. Please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on this stock and many stocks in coming days. So a little bit history on this stock. This stock is no stranger to us. I'm watching these stocks since last September, and it was added to the tracker. It fall off, then it ran up nicely, then it went down during the pandemic, and finally it made it to the tracker again back in March 24, along with Doku, AMD, Netflix, and Sharp, when the selling got bottomed out and this stock tested its 50-week moving average. So before we look at the chart, let's look at the detailed view of the tracker. It is added to the tracker back in 323 when it was trading around $434, and as of today it closed well over $2,000, and it is posting almost like 400% since then. And the stop loss was around 399, which was never in question because the stock was not rallying ever since it's added to the tracker. And along the way it offered multiple entry points, like a secondary entry point, one on May 5th, one on June 8th, one on July 1st, and the last one was on July 13th when it was trading between $1,500 to $1,600. So that was the price range we were looking at when it was the last buy, and the stop loss was around 1430, but which was never in question because the stock never priced below this price level. So let's look at the chart and see why these were secondary entry points and where the stock now go from here. So you guys are looking at the weekly settings for Tesla. I like the weekly settings because this eliminates all of daily noise, and you can have some kind of a clear trend for the short-term to long-term trading. And the two indicators that I follow is a 10-week moving average and the 50-week moving average. So this stock is added to this tracker on 324 when it's tested its 50-week moving average after the huge sell-off. Then it's offered a secondary entry point when it clears its 10-week moving average, and it's offered another entry point when it did the quick consolidation, and it's offered another entry point when it tested its 10-week moving average line again, and the final entry point was around here when it tested its 10-week moving average and cleared this resistance level. So as you guys know, I was not a great fan of the split, but that doesn't matter. I'm still bullish on the stock. The stock now rallied really nicely last week. It posted almost 25% gain or $400 gain for the whole week, and the volume also heavy. So as of now, the stock is well extended beyond its buy point. It's going to go up every day. If you want to trade day in day out, that's fine, but if you're looking for a longer trend, do not even try to touch these stocks because there is so much excessive speculation going on, which is the one concerns me. It's not going to break the stock, but it's going to be shakeout may happen. So when the shakeout happens, whoever bought the stock around the $2,000-$2,500 price range, they'll get shaken out. So it's not going to get broke, but at the same time, you have to be in a very good buy zone because this is the buy zone. So if you buy the stock around this zone, even the shakeout happens in the next week, you will be still better off, and you won't be hitting the no panic mode, because when the sell-off happens, the reaction is going to be severe on all the options and the stock. So it's not going to get broke, but as of now, I won't recommend buying this stock. So they are doing the split next week. So let the dust get settled. Once everything is settled, probably it's going to offer a attractive entry point, and probably it may have a great run again. And this stock has a lot more potential. Their company potential is endless for now. They are not like a Nutrisystem or other companies. They had hype, then they fizzled down. This stock has so much potential in the electric vehicle and electric market altogether. So let's wait for the stock split to happen. And if you happen to have this stock, just hang tight and do not try to short or buying a put for the stock. It's one of the hyper hot stocks, so just let it ride. But do not consider buying it right now. Just wait. Let the split happens. Once the dust settles, it will may offer a very good entry point. Because if you buy now, if shakeout happens because of the excessive speculation, you will be get wiped out, especially if you're playing with options. And that is my take, guys. For this week, the stock is on hold. So let's see how things plays out in next week. As always, please check out our website. All the information on our record out there. I will put the tracker link in the description section so you can check it out whenever you want. It will get updated at the end of the day with the stock price data. Please check out all our social media sites. We love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on this stock and many stocks in coming days. And have a great weekend.